Salty water could be preventing the recovery of one of the UK's rarest amphibians by making former breeding sites unsuitable for their survival. A study has concluded the natterjack toad is found in just a handful of locations in Scotland. Its only remaining homes are along the Solway coast, including the RSVP's Mercyhead Reserve near Southerners. Scientists have found that the salt level in water from former breeding sites in southwest Scotland was linked to failed hatching, smaller growth, and altered development. The research is published in the academic journal Ichthyology and Hepatology. The project was led by Dr. Frances Ogden, an environmental biologist at Edinburgh's Herod Watt University. Natterjack toads have declined across the UK, not just in Scotland, she said. We wanted to find out why these tiny toads were surviving in the nature, preserving Dumfries and Galloway, but had disappeared from sites along that coast. We used anecdotal reports from farmer and local wildlife groups to identify former breeding ponds in Kiara Southerners, and several farms. The teams analyzed water samples from Mercyhead, where the natterjack toad survives, and other sites. They measured temperature, pH, and salinity and exposed natterjack spawn to water from each of the sites. Horton said some of the former breeding sites had such a high level of salinity that no embryos survived to hatching. Some were as literally salty, but what we saw there was that the toads were much smaller. That does not sound like a big deal, but when you are a frog, size really does matter. 95% of tadpoles are eaten by predators. For the 5% that make it to be to next stage of development, they need to be as big as possible for a chance at survival. They said and findings could help improve or to revive numbers. Until now, a lot of natterjack toad restoration efforts have focused on improving terrestrial habitat like clearing scrub or controlling vegetation, he said. That's still important, but now we know that unless the salinity of the water is staked, the tiny toads will have no chance of survival. The biologist added that action needed to be taken soon. Amphibians are the fastest declining vertebrate group globally.